Have you often wondered how you can get a freebie from somebody else straight away? Now, this is how you do it. You go to BizStackPro Automation, create a workflow, and you select from a template. If you put a Facebook or Instagram, you can actually choose the template. Well, to save time, I've already made it. So all you do is Facebook comment on a post, and my phrase is the word freebies with a capital or freebies without a capital. At the moment, we're doing 31 days of freebies. If you leave it blank and you've got more than one page, bada bing, bada boom, it's done. It goes to all of them. So cancel that off. Then you create you can add a new response. Thanks for the comment. Hop over to your inbox. The details. So it can do 2, 3, or 4, or 5. So it changes it every time. And then it's easy. You put your message there. Great, thanks for choosing BizStackPro. Get your 14-day free trial here. And then the link, and I'll see you inside. And if you attend one of the live trainings, you won't leave. I'm telling you now, you won't leave. So let's hop over to Facebook, this one. Just tested it out here. And it says, I've put freebies. Check your DM. And it's there. Go and get BizStackPro today and get your 31 freebies. It ends the 31st of October at midnight.